Hey there, scary story fanatics. Welcome back to night 4 of this horror-thon. Tonight, we're going to be hearing from one of my guests. But before we get there, sit back, relax, and get ready for the sound of success. My car's been making strange noises. It doesn't matter if I'm parked or moving. The knocking sound is incessant. It has been ever since Halloween. So, I took a trip to my mechanic, and sure enough, he found the issue right away. I mean, I should have expected him to look in the trunk, pointing inward to where I was keeping 3 bound trick-or-treaters, still in costume. However, I smiled down at their corpses when he told me that he took care of my problem. Now I just have to see what he charges for discard service. What do you call success? Some call it getting away with it. But you're not getting away that fast. Make sure to stop him for night 5 of this terror go-round. Social media can be very unpredictable, especially regarding horror content. If this content gets removed, all new content will be simultaneously presented on various websites provided in the description to this video. Make sure to follow me in other digital spaces so that you never miss out on the terror. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave a comment and hit the like button. It helps the channel a lot. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy what's here, consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Writing is a dream of mine, and it's all of you that make that dream come true.